the Mercedes-Benz G-Class Professional, which is a new back-to-basics version in the G-Class range. It's effectively a civilian version of the vehicles that the Australian Army have now bought from Mercedes-Benz. It's very much an old-school four-wheel drive, separate chassis, live axles at both ends, but it does have constant four-wheel drive, automatic 5-speed gearbox, and best of all, it's got triple diff locks. It's a tough thing, but it's expensive. We'll see how it goes.
Mercedes G-Wagon, 40 years of heritage behind it. It's old school all the way. Live axles, ladder frame, triple diff locks. Not a lot of suspension travel, but it's a vehicle you can drive anywhere around here with confidence you're not going to break stuff.
So any hill, any terrain, it just goes through them, up them and down them without any problems whatsoever, which is what its main design brief is.
It's built like a brick, don't you? Man, we could crash into this building here and the building would come off second best.
Off-road, it all comes into its own with its narrow body shape. You can see all the parameters of the vehicle. You sit up quite high, so you've got a nice command position to see what's coming ahead. And again, the tractive capabilities of 3 diff locks, you just can't match it. It's just fantastic.
It's basic inside, doesn't have anything you don't need. No carpet, wind-up windows, stuff like that. And it's simple, you can see out of it. It's got great big glass house, flat windscreen, you know where the corners of the car are, so you can position it on the track really where you want it. It's a great off-roader in that regard.
You get 4 seats, you get a nice big gap between the rear seats, you get a big storage area. This one's optioned up with a factory roof rack, a walk-on bonnet, all those practical sort of features that make off-road driving easier.
It's fantastic, man. It's full of character, it's fun to drive, but it's very expensive.
It's a tough call who's going to buy that because it's $120,000. It's got to be someone who really wants to buy a G-Wagon. There are better cars out there to buy for that sort of money, but if you want a G-Wagon, there's only one choice. What do we like about it?
It's the only proper off-road vehicle here. All the rest are actually trail or track vehicles. That thing, we could go out there and make a beeline and you could drive it and it would do it.
I reckon we'd all agree on that.
Yeah.
Just the simplicity of it, like off-road, you're not pressing, or you are pressing buttons and switches, sorry, it's all mechanical lockers and live axle front and rear. It's just do it and get on with the job of going through the bush.
Live axles and 3 locking diffs.
Yeah.
You're not looking for modes or functions
No.
or going through menus, it's button 1, 2 or 3. It's hard work on the highway. It feels like you're always trying to push that engine.
And always trying to keep it pointed straight ahead. Crosswinds and stuff, oh jeez. No, those BFG all-terrain KO2s are awesome. Great tyre.
16-inch wheel, so little wheel, big tyre.
Yep.
Can carry a literal tonne of gear.
Yeah, payload in that thing.
Over a tonne payload.
Wagon.
1200 kg payload.
You can carry more payload in that than some of these 1-tonne utes. And it'll probably do it more comfortably too.
Look, it's a tough truck, built tough, got an incredible payload, has great off-road credentials and performs really well off-road.
It's a confidence-inspiring car.
Hard to justify the money in terms of the equipment and what you get, but in terms of the fact that it's tough, unique, go anywhere, that's where your money is.